conducting a demo on why we shouldn't be eating fish, or rather how we should make the connection between eating fish and, like, if we feel outrage and if we feel horrified, when we talk about, like, say, people eating cats and dogs, why is it any different from eating other sentient animals, including fishes, right? They all feel the same joy, they all feel the same complex emotions, just like dogs and cats and just like humans, and they don't want to die for our taste buds pleasure, which is like just 5 to 10 minutes for us, and like we never even remember what we might have had like a few days back. But for an animal, it's their entire life that's gone, like, a life that's ended with torture and suffering and pain. So I don't think in 2025 we should, like, give so much importance to our taste buds when there's enough of scientific data which proves that we can very well thrive on a plant-based diet. And why do we need to do this? And also the environmental aspect, if you take into consideration, by 2050 they say that the fisheries of the world will collapse, and when that happens, it's not just the fishes who are going to die, it's the ocean ecosystems that will also collapse, and oceans make up even more oxygen of the world than the rainforests and the other ecosystems of the world.
Where a PETA India cat monger is here selling cats and kittens to the passers-by. By this action, he wants people to consider that if you wouldn't eat a cat, why eat a fish? Fishes, like all other animals, including humans, are sentient, living, feeling beings who experience pain, suffering, and a variety of other emotions. And they definitely do not want to die for your food. Fishes are highly social beings when they are in their natural life. They are very affirmative. They run around in packs. They're really good with people. They recognize voices and such. Fishes can actually communicate with each other at a various radius and frequencies. Fishes are also very high in saturated fat and contain high levels of cholesterol, which is not good for our health as far as eating them is concerned. Fishes, right now, the way that they're being bred, live in very polluted environments and have high levels of toxins and mercury in their body that can increase the risk of heart diseases, cardiovascular diseases, cancer, and all other forms of diseases, sometimes even leading up to your death. Fishes are also said to be leading to collapse. All wild caught fishes and marine wildlife is on a verge of collapsing by the year 2050, which is a very high and very scary number. So if we want to save ourselves, if we want to save our health, our planet, and the trillions of fish that are being killed every year just for food, we should consider going vegan. PETA India can help you in that. Please head over to petaindia.com and order yourself a free vegan starter kit today.